Universal size fits most all portable and stationary tables 72 to 76 length x 25 to 30 width. Fitted and waterproof, great combination which is not very common. Adds a waterproof protection barrier between your client and table. Protect tables from moisture, oil and sweat. Easy to use and gets rid of unnecessary laundry. 10 PCs in a pack, single use, not made or intended to be disinfected and reused. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Single use, not made or intended to be disinfected and reused. Professionals love our white, waterproof, disposable table cover with an elastic band to wrap the table perfectly. Optional for tables that are 72 to 76 length and 25 to 30 width. Adds a waterproof protection barrier between your client and table. Protect tables from moisture, oil and sweat. Avoid unnecessary laundry and get your pack today. Comes in a 10 PCs pack. Made from a polypropylene nonwoven fabric coated with a polyethylene waterproofing lining on both sides. It's sort of a soft paper-like material coated with a thin layer of plastic. It's much more durable and softer than paper. Top reviews from the United States. Great if you like to use lots of oil. When I started using about 2 ounces of oil for each massage, my clients really liked it. I use these sheets with the wax paper side down, then throw them out after one use. It's worth the cost because of how much my clients like the extra oil.